Have you been doing Facebook Live videos and you also want to offer them on YouTube? Well, I'm going to show you today how you can download your Facebook videos and how you can upload them to YouTube. You want to start off by going to your Facebook profile, and you'll scroll down and click on where it says videos so that you have a list of all of the videos that you have created. And then you can go find the one that you would like to download. So you'll click on the video, and you'll see this URL at the top in your URL bar. You want to copy that. And then you're going to go to a website called fdown.net. And so if you go to fdown.net, and you are going to paste the URL in there. Then you're going to go ahead and click download. It's going to come up a little blurb about what it was, and you want to click download video in normal quality. You will probably get a pop-up ad. If you don't get a pop-up ad, that's fine and that's great, but sometimes you do, and you need to close that out first before it starts the download, just so that you know. Then you want to name this file whatever you want and make sure it's in the correct folder, so you can find the folder on your computer, give your file a name, and then once you have done that, you will go ahead and click save. After you've saved the video, then the next step is to go over to your YouTube channel. Once you're on your YouTube channel, you are going to click the little this little symbol up here in the upper right that looks like a video camera and has a plus on it. This is create when you hover over it. Go ahead and click on that, and then click where it says upload video. Once you click upload video, then you'll see you get a screen that looks like this. And this is where you're going to select that new video that you literally just downloaded from Facebook. So you're going to go here. I already am in the folder that I want to be in, but you might need to find your folder, and I'm going to click on the video that I'd like to upload, and it will put it here. Now I can give this a name while it's uploading, and I can put in a description. I'm going to put in my name, and I'm going to put in a description as well. And then while this is uploading and processing, I'm going to go over here and I will select a thumbnail if I have it. I'm going to click here. You'll select the thumbnail. You come down here and you can put your video in playlists. If you already have playlists created, you can check the boxes next to the playlist that you would like to add it to. And if you do not have playlists already created, you can go ahead and add a new one like this, new playlist. All right, and then I'm going to hit done. Now that I've selected the playlist that I want to add this to, and I'm going to click where it says show more. When I click that, then you do have some other options in here. I just leave everything just by the default, but you also have the ability to add tags. Notice that I've already set up my tag area here with some default things. You can do that in your account. That's not what I'm going to show you today, but you can add more specific to this particular video. So because this video that I'm uploading is Friday morning affirmations, I'm going to put Friday in here, and I'm going to put morning, and I'm going to put affirmations, as well as mantras. And I'm just putting a comma in between each one. That's what creates it as a new one. So if you're not sure how to do that, just hit the comma button. There we go. So now that I've gotten all that and it looks like it's done uploading, you can see here it's no longer processing. So then I can go here where it says next. I just leave all of these things as is, but you can feel free to fill out any of these that you want. Click over here, click next, and then here's your last and final screen that you get before you publish it. So you can either publish it right now as a public video. You can publish it privately so that only you and people who have the link to can watch it, or people who you've chosen to, and then unlisted will give you a link that you can share with people, but it wouldn't be listed or found. You can also schedule it to go live sometime in the future. And then once you're done with that, you can go ahead and click the publish button, and then it will be published and live, and you'd be able to watch it. So I have open on this other screen. This was the last one that I just uploaded. So you'll notice that it has the title here, it has a description here, and it went ahead and it's playing. So that's how you do it. Now you can upload your videos from Facebook over to YouTube. I hope that was helpful. Feel free to follow me or subscribe for more information, more helpful tips. And I'm glad that you stopped by today. Have a great day.